Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt stuck in a cycle? Like you're watching yourself repeat the same unhealthy habits, but can't seem to stop? You're not broken, and there is a way out. Here's what most people don't realize about change. You don't need more willpower. You need leverage. There are two moments when we have the most leverage to break an unhealthy cycle. The first is on the heels of success. That one good day, that win, that breakthrough moment. Why? Because your brain is finally open to new possibilities. You believe in yourself, at least for a second, and that second is enough to say, what else might be possible if I could double down right now? And the second is when you hit your limit. You know this one. When you're burned out, fed up, when you say, I cannot keep doing this. It hurts, but it's powerful because pain breaks patterns when you let it become a turning point instead of a breakdown. One predictable aspect of human beings is that pain motivates us. One of my clients, let's call her Jess, finally left a toxic job after getting a huge compliment on a project that she had crushed. That one moment of feeling seen cracked the door open. She didn't wait until the next burnout. She used that win as her launch pad. Another client, he waited until he couldn't get out of bed for 2 days. He called it his emotional rock bottom. But that moment gave him clarity and urgency. And that's when he finally said yes to real help. One of the most predictable aspects about us as human beings is that pain motivates us to change. My point here is that if you're riding a high, use it. If you're barely hanging on, don't waste that pain. Both are doorways, but you've got to walk through. Don't wait until life gives you permission, because it won't. Leverage what you've got right now. Change doesn't happen someday. It happens the moment you decide you're done staying the same. If this resonated with you, hit the like button. Subscribe for more insights on breaking through patterns, and check out the C.O.R.E personality model at drdenhamslade.com/core. Know yourself. Change your life.